I am thrilled with the bird bath that I made. Out of a lamppost, and then I had this ceramic bowl that somebody made years and years ago, my Baltimore days. So I painted the flower in the base, and the bubbler I have, the fountain I have, is too large for this. So I'm going to have to look for a smaller one, but I love how it turned out. And I love my front garden this year. I've got all kinds of fun stuff popping up. Wildflower mix that I planted last year and some more this year is coming up nicely. And this is a nice addition for the